Hello everyone. Today we'll quickly learn about the properties and styling of the Checkbox widget. You can also access the link to the documentation for this widget in the description below. Let's start with dropping the checkbox from the widget inventory. A checkbox can be used to allow the users to make Boolean choices, such as unselected or selected. Now let's quickly dive into its properties by inspecting the widget. Label. It is a string value that is used as the label for the checkbox. Let's say option 1, we can see the entered value as the label here. Default status. It accepts a Boolean value used as the default status to check or uncheck the widget when the UI initially loads. You can conditionally set the value by clicking on the FX button next to it. You can also view the selected value of the widget from the inspector panel on the left. It'll be available under Components, Component Name, and then the value associated with the field, which is true here as the checkbox is selected. Events. It allows us to add an onCheck event handler which is triggered when we toggle the checkbox. Let's quickly create an event handler. Click on Add Event Handler button and enter the following to the message field. Now if we select the checkbox, the event will prompt the message. Tooltip. Under the general accordion, you can set the value of a tooltip. Let's try it out by entering the following value. Now when we hover on the widget, we find the tooltip with the assigned value. Layout. Toggle on or off to display the widget in desktop and mobile view. You can programmatically determine the value by clicking on FX to set a Boolean value. Now let's explore the styling of the checkbox widget. Click on the Styles tab to access the following options. Text color. We can change the color of the label text. Let's select any color to see how that looks. Checkbox color. Similarly, we can also change the background color of the checkbox when selected. You can apply color codes suitable for your app's UI. Visibility. Toggle on or off to control the visibility of the widget. Disable. Toggle to lock the widget. If toggled on, we won't be able to select any value. You can programmatically change both options by clicking on the FX button. Box shadow. This property is recently introduced under every widget style. Let us expand the panel and set the value for the box shadow to be applied. This is what our final checkbox widget looks like. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.